Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the sound in the Traffic Escape game. So let's get started right away. If you don't have the Traffic Escape game on your device already, then simply tap on the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device and then search for Traffic Escape. Once you find the game, simply tap on the Install button and then wait until the installation is completed. Once it is done, you will see the play button, so simply tap on it and this will immediately open up the app. Now you will notice that you can immediately start playing the game without any sign up or login. Once you complete the tutorial, you will gain access to this screen from which you can select the level. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you will find the gear icon, which is the setting menu. Simply tap on it and now you will find the vibration as well as volume settings. If you tap on the volume option, now this will mute all sounds in the game. You can close this now and go start enjoying your game, and you will notice that the sound has turned off. If you wish to turn it back again, you can simply come back to this menu and tap on the settings icon at the top left corner once again and simply tap on the volume option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on and off the sound in the Traffic Escape game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.